In this lecture, you will learn how to set up the in-app purchase. Now, this game comes with one in-app purchase. It's about removing the ads. So when people remove the ads, they have to pay you and they will not see any ads, so they can play forever. So as you can see right here, there's the remove ad button and the restore button that automatically restores whenever somebody happens to delete your app and will install it later on or install it in another device and will want to restore the remove ad. Alright, so let's set this up. Let's go to Xcode and let's locate the file that contains the in-app purchase. So in Xcode, under Groups and Files, Game Template, you will see a Resources folder. And down here you will see an SDK box underscore config.json file. And if you scroll down, you will see an iOS entry. Now, if you look, you will see an IAP. That means in-app purchase, AIP, okay? And then you will see the ID to remove ads here. Alright, so we're going to change this one right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this right now. We're going to go inside of any web browsers and make sure you log in iTunes connect.apple.com and go to your app. Then go to Features and click on In-App Purchases and click on plus. Now select non-consumable. It means that the item is going to get bought only once and then you can be reused anytime. And here put remove ads and the product ID, put anything you'd like, com.appfresh.pickthatlock.remove ads. So again, put something similar to your game and make sure you put remove ads or something like this at the end. What matters is that you remember what the ID is. Once you have this ID, press Command Tab to go back to Xcode and paste it here for the remove ads. So remove the ones between the double quotes and paste yours. Alright? Perfect. Now let's go back to Safari and here select a price tier. We're going to take price tier 1, so 99 cents to remove it, but feel free to put any price you'd like. And then we're going to add the language. So that's what people are going to see whenever they're going to click on purchase. So remove all ads, and here we're going to say removes all ads in the game forever. And click on save. Alright, now something here is that if you scroll down, they will ask for a screenshot for review. Now, for the screenshots, what they want is the actual screenshot from the remove ad, because the Apple technician wants to know where the remove ad button is. So they want a screenshot of this specific screen. Now, we've already taken a screenshot earlier, so you should have your screenshot already. And let's take a look at it. Here, this screenshot will do just fine. So I'm going to drag and drop this screenshot for iPads or for iPhones, and I'm going to drag and drop it on the choose file. Or you just click on choose file and go pick it up. Alright, and here it is. It just uploaded, and now click on save. Alright, so as you can see, you have the remove ads right there. Now let's work on the second in-app purchase. Let's go back to the simulator and take a look at it. Whenever you click on the levels mode, not on the survival, only on the levels, you will see a skip button here. So you can skip this challenge. And the way you would skip that is by clicking on the skip button, and you need to buy the skipping. Alright? So if you go back to Xcode, you will see that in the SDK underscore config, right above the remove ad, you have the skip. And here you'll have to have an ID. Alright? So let's go ahead and do that. Go to Safari and create a new in-app purchase. Click on the plus. And this one is a consumable because you can use it over and over again. You can skip multiple levels, so you can consume it multiple times. And here, skip a level. Product ID, we're going to put com.appfresh.pickthatlock.skip level. Okay, you don't have to have something similar to that, but at least something that's unique enough. Now let's go back to Xcode and paste it here instead of this first ID for the skip, in between the double quotes. And then next thing you want to do is go back to Safari and to iTunes Connect, select the price. We're going to put 99 cents, and then we're going to click on add language. We're going to put English and put here skip this level, and skips this level. Save. Alright, and then they ask for a screenshot for review. So they want a screenshot of this specific item that has the skip button. So I'm gonna go to the simulator and press File, Save Screenshot. Alright, so now if I go back to the Finder, I will see the screenshot, and yes, here it is. I just took it in the desktop, and I'm gonna drag and drop this on the screenshot for review. By the way, for some of you I may be going too fast, so you can always pause that, alright? Then click on Save. Now that we have the two in-app purchases here, we need to add them to the current version. So go to the App Store, click there, and then click on iOS app and go to your Prepare for Submission link here. Now, if you scroll down, you will see an entry for in-app purchases. Now, this is very important. Many people forget to do that. So click on plus and add both of them here. Click on Done and click on Save. Once you do this, you should have both added here. Alright, so make sure you do that as well. So you need them inside of the Features tab and also within the App Store tab under the iOS app here. Alright, so make sure you have both. And by the way, you cannot test this on a simulator. You cannot do that on an iPhone or iPad simulator. You have to try it if you want to test it on a real physical device. So you'll have to create distribution provisioning profile and developer provisioning profiles to test it on the phone. But we already know that it works because we have games that are already using the source code, and it's already in the App Store, and it's already been approved and selling on the App Store. Alright, so that's all for the in-app purchases. Now might be a good time to save this by pressing Command S, or just press play again, and that will take your changes into account. Alright, see you guys in the next lecture.